Welcome to the Regency, where luxury meets an active adult lifestyle. This is a very popular Wakefield model by Toll Brothers, where you can enjoy indoor-outdoor living all at the same time. We're walking through the heart of this beautiful home where you can take advantage of this beautiful chef's kitchen and enjoy all this modern technology. Thank you for joining us today. For more information on this amazing home, give us a call and we're happy to answer any questions you might have.